Morning, folks. My name is Rich.White with Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2019 Travel Lite 960 RX pickup camper. It is for a long box truck, very lightweight, only weighs 2145 pounds loaded weight. Let's go in, take a look inside, and look at some of the features. Folks, this is a great little camper. It's got 3-burner gas, grill top, microwave. It has a wet bath, refrigerator, nice sleeping area, air conditioning. It's a great little camper, very lightweight, and it does come with electric jacks on the exterior, which is hugely important. Folks, thanks for taking your time today with me. Once again, Rich White with Guaranty RV. You can reach me direct at 541-521-8914. We have this pickup camper and many, many more, pre-owned and new. Give me a call.